Good morning, class. These days the topic direct and indirect speech is going on in our class, and we have discussed the interrogative sentences, and today we are going to discuss the change of imperative sentences. So imperative sentences, you know very well that the sentences that have command, order or request, they show that they are called imperative sentences. So now let us see how the imperative sentences of direct speech are changed into indirect speech. Now see some examples. Direct speech. She said to the guest, "Feel at home." Now see the answer of indirect speech. She told the guest to feel at home. See the change. What is the change here? Said to is changed into told. In place of comma and inverted comma, we have used to, not that. Earlier we were using that, or in interrogative question, in interrogation we were using asked. But now see what we have written, to. So the answer has become, she told the guest to feel at home. Then see the second one. I said to my servant, sit near me. I asked my servant to sit near me. I asked my servant to sit near me. See the next one. He said to me, please lend me your scooter. So it's a request. It's a request. So in the answer we will use the word, he requested me. He requested me to lend him my scooter. Then see the next one. The doctor said to me, take full rest. The doctor said to him, take full rest. Now see the answer. The doctor advised him to take full rest. As I have told you earlier also, imperative means it may be command, it may be order, it may be request, it may be advised. So such type of sentences are called imperative sentences, and we generally used told, asked, requested, advised. Such type of words we use at that time. So the doctor advised him to take full rest. The old man said, don't mix with bad boys. It's an advice. Then what will be the answer? The old man advised me not to mix with bad boys. Or one other word we can use, the old man forbade me to mix with bad boys. Now see the next one. The general said, march forward. So general may give the order also. So we will use the word ordered. The general ordered to march forward. The general ordered the soldiers to march forward. Then the prime minister said, serve the nation. So it's an request, it's an urge from the side of prime minister. So we can use the word, the prime minister urged the people to serve the nation. So the introductory verb is changed into some words like tell or request, advise, ordered, urge or forbid. So these words are used. So it's bye for today. Tomorrow we shall discuss the more exercise.